Hi guys, me here. And look, this girl's laughing so hard because she farted, she burped, it's stinky. See me, idiot. I'm just in the front now. Uti. Nichinole yitudebo. Hey guys. I'll find my ruler and my book tomorrow. It won't matter. It was so funny, guys. It was actually so funny. Yeah, come baby, draw. Ouch!
You know when I burp, I'm gonna burp outside the window. This is the outside.
Push up. No.
So,
Bye-bye, we're leaving you. She's coming.
go sit at the back.
Get the back.
Get the back. Go.
As a ball. I'm gonna burp your face every time. Time to burp.
You need Pano Jr. You throat channel normal. Wait guys. So this girl burped forever. Huh?
I'm gonna. If I need to burp, I'm gonna. It'll be funny.
Sodomy. Sodomy, guys. This girl is going to burp in my face every time. It's so dark. I like these lights because they're matariki. And they're so big. They're dark blue. This red. I don't know what else color.
Oh my soul.
And every car that's blue glows. Bye guys. Bye guys.